Hi, and welcome to Magic Scanner website, a fundamental stock selector for KLSE and SGX financial market. You're about to learn the secrets to raking in double to triple digit return per annum in trading or investing, no matter how much time you've had to prepare. It doesn't matter if you've never had any past experience or education, this Magic Scanner will tell you everything you need to know without spending too much brain power. This is unlike any tool you'll find out there. It's the edge that most analysts and fund managers want or have. Go ahead and get yours now.
A very good morning to you all. Welcome to another show, the Friday Chart Clinic for week ending 27th of September 2013. We are almost 3 more days to the end of the third quarter of 2013. So what is going to be likely happen is a lot of institutional and foreign funds is likely to support the market in holding it up until at least it looks good on the end of Q3. So that seems to be it. So you can see the market as of now, we are up 7 points. So that's the reason why we are up. Okay, here there are some people asking me to look at the stocks. 5149. Okay, I will look at that 5149. Let me just bring it down here. 5149. Okay, SS4A 5149. Okay, so that's another one, and 5149. So that's another one. Soon Sheng want me to look at 7070. Okay. So all right, okay. If you have it, just pass it on, and I'll look at them. So for today, just a little bit of announcement. This week on Monday, or actually on the weekend, we have a malware attack. This is partly also a warning signal from the Google Webmaster. So some of you who did try to log in on Monday as well as Tuesday, we apologize for that. The technical people from the website has managed to restore it and remove the malware, and he had put in contingency plan to prevent it from happening in future. But when the website is good, people tend to attack it. So let's not hope we will get this again, right? But anyway, we appreciate for your patience and for our premium members and our light members who regularly comes to our website and look at the information that we have. Okay. Another announcement that we have is that you all know that we are doing our main course on the November 9, 10, 11. So, interesting enough, for the last 3 days, we were planning to do our foundation course, right? However, we decided to cancel it because on Wednesday, I was checking with Bill, we didn't get anyone registered. But on Thursday and as well as today, we got streams of call coming in, and some have even banked in the money. So we told them, look, we are canceling the one on Monday and Tuesday because our time are quite committed to once we put up the date there, we like to do it. But if no one's registered and that's it, we'll do it because we are managing our clients portfolio, and a lot of our students is also a client. We must give them also the respect, the time too. So I would do hope for those of you who is interested to come to our courses in future, please respect us for our time that we committed for that one. So as such, the next one we will be focusing will be the November main course, which is on November 9 to 11. So what's going to happen, there is a request for a preview of that, and we will be doing together with our traders club or investor club next Saturday. So take note, next Saturday at 9:30 to 10:30, we'll be doing our master the market main course preview. Will be held at level 9 in Jalan Raja Cholan. Now if you wish to have a map, please send us to that. You need to register for the preview of the main course. Please call Dolly, the number there, that's our administration person, 0342524149, or you can call Bill at 01268551207. For those of you who wanted to come and wanted to know more about VSA course. Actually, as a matter of fact, we did got a call from Go from Penang, highlighted wanted to come to the course and learn about intradaying. So hopefully I hope you are here today. This is the things that we do as our regular show. I hope that that will help. Now remember, this course is focused on VSA. We do have a website for the main course. You can go to it, and let me just send you a website. Those of you who want to know more about our course here, is for our main website. Okay, it's a little bit of promotion. Please bear with me. Those of you who want to know it. Okay, there you go. That's our main course website here. Just send it to you again. All right, that should get you started to know more about our main course coming up again. All right. Again, the month of September are coming to a close very soon, and it is our fifth birthday year. So if you wish to sign up and get a 10% discount, this will be your last week. Once you come up to October, there will no longer be any discount. So take this opportunity to sign up for only new members only. Okay, for the old one sign up, you'll still be at the old rates, but for new sign up you will get the 10% discount off, which is only valid for September 2021. This is for the people signing up for the our premium membership, as you will get more on things like the closing bell, rather than just a snippet for the like subscriber. Okay, uh here we okay, this one I should take it out. Okay. Okay. Bill is here, and he's going to give you an update on what's going to be happening on the US side as well as Go. And also, I will be talking a bit about our premium members section, which is the insider report, once Bill completes his update to you. All right, I'll pass you on to Bill. Okay.
Good morning, everybody. Bill here. Okay, I'm going to share with you something that's going on in the market now, something that we need to be mindful of. And the issue is that in the last weeks, just a couple of weeks, we've had a very uh, small range trading environment, low volume, and this is because of the uncertainty that has been created by budget issues here in Malaysia and budget issues in the US and raising the debt ceiling, which has affected the whole world. There's been some politicians in America who are threatening to shut the whole government down and even default on their debt unless they get their own way and cancel the Obamacare socialized medicine plan. So this is a big issue. It's creating all of this uncertainty. So in investing and trading, we call this a no confidence environment. No confidence. So that means it is not a time really to take position simply because the market isn't going anywhere, especially if you're trading. It will whipsaw back and forth. You won't be able to make very much money one way or the other. You won't lose much either. So what I'm seeing is that there's no long-term commitment at this point. By long-term commitment, I mean institutional money, large funds. They are not committing at this point. They're waiting until this uncertainty is resolved before they go in. So having said that, if you are looking at any high quality dividend producing shares in the KLSE, and we do have quite a number of them in the US if you're trading there, in Singapore if you're trading there, if you have your eye on any of these and you have good fundamental reasons to pick these up, now is a good time to buy. Step in front of the long term money. Buy during times of uncertainty. I'm not recommending trading here. I'm recommending investing. So this is the environment that we're in right now. Now, I will share with you something, an experience that Martin and I have just gone through, and that is Thai beverage. Now, I'm not here to recommend to buy Thai beverage. I'm not here to make any recommendations at all. You have to decide for yourself whether you're going to do it. But having said that, we did pick up that share for a number of our clients, and we did it because number one, it pays a very good dividend. Number two, it is financially sound. Number three, the management are reputable, and they've created value for shareholders over time. So after we bought it, the share plunged. It lost about 35%. It just plunged. And we were very much, a lot of our investors were very concerned. So the issue was that obviously Thai Beverage, they bought out F&N, and they were a lot of people were afraid that perhaps there would be they were buying this asset and it would not really benefit the company as a whole. In fact, it would simply be building an empire. So we checked at this. We did a conference call with the investor relations in Bangkok. We talked to them for an hour, and we discovered that actually this buying out of F&N, the synergy there for their property division was very, very positive. Because why? Because Charon, the billionaire who owns Thai Beverage, the major shareholder, has a chain of hotels in Thailand, hospitality centers, resorts, golf courses, and hotels, which are very popular. And so that combines with the hospitality synergy of the trust of property trust of F&N Singapore, who also owns the same type of facilities. So this becomes a synergy. 1 plus 1 becomes 3. So that was one synergy. The other synergy that they told us about was that Thai Beverage has a network of over 400,000 distributors for their products in Thailand, for the Charon beer, for their other beverages, for their spirits. And it's very difficult for any other company to come into that and break into that because the government has really put a lot of restrictions on advertising of alcohol. But Thai Beverage is already established. Now, the synergy is that F&N products are going to be sold within these 400,000 distributors, and it's already happening. A number of Thai beverages are now being sold in the Charon and the Thai Beverage network. So there is another synergy. So this gentleman, Mr. Charon, he's a very smart guy. If you're going to be a billionaire, you have to be smart. He is really smart. He's not out there for an agenda like Bill Gates and Microsoft. If you bought Microsoft for 10 years, he didn't make any money. Why? A great company. However, Bill Gates has been selling his shares constantly in order to raise money for his charities in Africa and AIDS and everything. Now, there's nothing wrong with that. However, if you're a shareholder, you're not benefiting. And I can promise you, Mr. Sharon is not doing this for charity. He's doing it to enrich his shareholders and his stakeholders. And that's the kind of company that we like to invest in so that we all benefit. And so that's the take on Thai Beverage. And I would say that it has recovered substantially from the lows, and it did pay one dividend along the way. So I look very positively for this company. The Thai baht has stabilized. The U.S. dollar is weakening at this moment, so the major panic is over. And once this budget thing in the U.S. is resolved, I would say we're going to be in good shape. In fact, they always do this every year, this budget impasse, and they fight and they threaten and they try to say they're going to shut the government down. But in the end, they always come to agreement. So I wouldn't be too concerned about this. So having said that, I wish you guys a week ahead, and do look at some of the opportunities that are presenting themselves and get in before the market runs. Don't wait till the market runs and get in. So having said that, I do wish you a great week ahead.
All right, thanks a lot, Bill. That was Bill here. For those of you who just came in late, just